Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I was so caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Feed me those lines.
Yo, we're back at it again with another easy, simple, delicious bowl recipe. Here we have a sweet potato burger bowl. It's packed with flavor, doesn't require a ton of time or ingredients. I'm telling you right now, your taste buds will be thanking you after you make this. First, we're going to start with the sweet potatoes since those take the longest to cook. Then we'll do everything else. We'll add them to a bowl, olive oil and seasonings. The full details are in the caption. Give it a good mix and onto a baking sheet into the oven at 400 degrees for about 45 to 55 minutes. From here, we're going to prep the toppings. We got the classics, lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. Feel free to add whatever you want to yours. All that's left to do is to cook our lean ground beef. We're going to get a large skillet going over medium-high heat. Pop in the beef, break it up, season. The full details are in the caption. Let it cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Once done, turn off the heat, take the potatoes out, assemble your bowls, and enjoy. Packed with flavor, doesn't require a ton of time or ingredients. I'm telling you right.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head.